This super flexible silicone baking tray is a new acquisition, and I'm so happy I tried it. It's very different from the metal. As you can see, this is the back, perfectly shaped hearts, and inside it's about, I don't know, I'd say about an inch deep. Very flexible, as you can see. It makes it super easy to clean, super easy to bake with, and super easy, the most important part, to pop out all your baked goods. It's very good for cupcakes and muffins. I found out something about it that you can also use it for candles, crayons. So that's how those cool candles are made. If you make them, you can put glitter in it. I mean, so you can use other materials in it. You also can use it for Jello and freeze it, or giant ice cubes, which look really good when you kind of add herbs or different flours. It's super versatile, and like I said, easy to clean. What I read on the package is it heats up to like 445. So like I said, it's super innocent looking, but it's really mighty, and it lasts a long time. It doesn't seem to wear out or fall apart.